ISO 20121 2024 ESMS Consultancy and Implementation. Hello and welcome to this professional session on ISO 20121 2024 Event Sustainability Management System ESMS. In an era where sustainability, ESG compliance, and responsible event management are key differentiators, ISO 20121 provides a globally recognized framework for organizations planning, executing, and evaluating events. In this video, we will discuss the technical requirements of ISO 20121 2024, step-by-step implementation guidance, documentation, training, and audit readiness. Practical examples from real-world event scenarios. Introduction to ISO 20121. ISO 20121 2024 is an international standard for sustainable event management, applicable to organizations of any size. It helps integrate sustainability into the core event lifecycle, including concept and planning, execution and operational control, post-event review and continuous improvement. Key focus areas include: first, environmental responsibility, means energy, water, waste, carbon footprint. Second, social responsibility means stakeholder engagement, labor practices, accessibility. Third, economic responsibility means efficient resource use and supply chain management. The 2024 update emphasizes risk-based thinking across all processes, enhanced measurement and reporting metrics, stronger focus on stakeholder inclusivity and transparency. Core principles of ISO 20121. The standard is built on several critical principles. First, leadership commitment. Senior management must integrate sustainability into organizational strategy. Second is context of the organization. Understand internal/external factors and stakeholder expectations. Third is sustainability integration. Sustainability must be embedded in every phase of the event. Fourth is stakeholder inclusivity. Engage internal and external stakeholders early. Fifth is control improvement. Use audits, reviews, and metrics to enhance performance over time. Structure of ISO 20121. ISO 20121 follows the High Level Structure (HLS), similar to other ISO standards like ISO 9001 or ISO 14001. First, context of the organization. Define scope of ESMS. Identify key stakeholders and their expectations. Analyze internal and external risks and opportunities. Second is leadership. Establish sustainability policy. Define roles, responsibilities, and accountability. Commit resources for effective ESMS implementation. Third, planning. Conduct risk and opportunity assessment. Set measurable sustainability objectives. Integrate legal and regulatory obligations. Fourth, support. Provide adequate resources and competent personnel. Establish awareness programs and internal communication. Maintain documented information. Fifth, operation. Plan event lifecycle processes. Implement operational controls for energy, waste, water, and social responsibility. Manage suppliers, contractors, and venues for sustainability. Sixth, performance evaluation. Define KPIs and sustainability metrics. Conduct internal audits and management reviews. Monitor progress and corrective actions. Seventh is improvement. Handle non-conformities and corrective actions. Foster continuous improvement culture. Leverage lessons learned for future events. Technical implementation steps. Let us go deeper into how to implement ISO 20121 effectively. Step 1, Gap analysis. Compare current event management processes with ISO 20121 requirements. Identify missing documentation, operational gaps, and training needs. Step 2, Documentation development. ESMS manual outlining policies and responsibilities. SOPs for sustainable practices, waste management, energy efficiency, transportation. Records and forms for monitoring compliance. Step 3, Sustainability aspects and impacts assessment. Environmental means waste energy generation, energy use, emissions, water consumption. Social means community impact, labor practices, accessibility. Economic means budget efficiency, resource optimization. Step 4 is risk and opportunity assessment. Identify potential risks, non-compliance, supplier failures, reputational loss issues, etc. Define mitigation strategies and monitoring plans. Then step 5, stakeholder engagement. Internal uh, internal staff, volunteers, management. External, what are they? Suppliers, contractors, sponsors, local authorities, community. Now step 6, training and awareness program. Build competency and awareness for all involved personnel. Include sustainability best practices and ISO 20121 requirements. Step 7, monitoring and measurement. Track key metrics: energy saved, waste diverted, stakeholder satisfaction. Use dashboards or simple reporting templates. Step 8, internal audits and certification readiness. Conduct mock audits, identify gaps, and implement corrective actions. Prepare for third party certification. Now, let us see operational controls for sustainable events. Operational controls is the most critical area for ISO 20121. Examples include energy management, use LED lighting, efficient HVAC, renewable energy where possible, waste management, segregation, recycling, composting, water management, minimize consumption, reuse, and recycling. Supplier evolution requires sustainability, compliance from vendors. Transportation and logistics optimize routes, reduce emissions, etc. Accessibility and inclusivity ensure events are accessible to all stakeholders. Document each control and assign responsibility to specific personnel or teams. Now, next is performance indicators and reporting. So, to demonstrate compliance and control improvement, establish KPIs, means energy consumption per event, waste diverted percentage, stakeholder satisfaction score, monitor social, economic, and environmental metrics, report findings during internal audits and management reviews, integrate metrics into future event planning. Effective reporting strengthens credibility, ESG alignment, and certification readiness. Now, what are the benefits of ISO 20121? Implementing ISO 20121 2024 delivers measurable advantages: enhanced sustainability performance and ESG alignment, reduced environmental footprint and operational risks, improved stakeholder engagement and satisfaction, strengthened brand reputation and global credibility, facilitated regulatory compliance and market differentiation. Certification readiness and call to action. To achieve ISO 20121 certification, organizations must ensure complete documentation, implement operational and monitoring processes effectively, conduct internal audits, and address non-conformities. Prepare for third-party certification audits. For professional guidance on ISO 20121 2024 documentation, awareness training, and consultancy, please contact us. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +917359458455. Please like. Thank you for joining this ISO 2024 technical session. If you found this content valuable, please like, share, and subscribe for more professional insights on ISO standards, sustainability, and responsible event management. With a structured and technical approach, your organization can deliver sustainable, compliant, and globally recognized events with confidence. Thank you.